How to trade double bottom the right way. On Friday, the price opened above the previous day, and the previous day, as you can see on the screen, there is a, a clear double bottom right here. I want to change the color for green to identify more clear. As you can see, a clear double bottom. And the best way to enter in call is with three green candle in road right here. When you see three green candle in road, it is enter and stop loss always right here, because if this trade it doesn't work, it's okay to accept, in this case, small losses instead of big losses. If we put the stop loss right here, it is too far away. We're going to lose a lot of money for that reason. Right here is fine, and the price goes up with 4 or 5 green candle in road. It is exit. Always, always, and always take profit, because this profit belong to you. If you not take profit, what happens if the price goes against you? All your profit it gone evaporating. For that reason, always take profit. And from here, the price was oscillating, three green candle in road. There is the fine sign to enter in call, and at 12:05, at 12:05 New York time, appeared the first bullish engulfing. It is entered in call stop loss below the same candle, always the same candle, because to this minimize the losses. The price going up, the second bullish engulfing appeared 12:20, is another enter input stop loss right below the same candle. And when you see 4 green candle, it is exit. Remember right here, between 4 and 5 green candle is exit. In the case, it's the same. Between 5 green candle is exit, and always take profit. This is the best way to enter in when you see a double bottom. How to identify double bottom? When the price stay the same level, you put a line, put a green line to identify. As you can see from here, the price went up. Um, from here, in this level, after the 4 green candle, the price went up, but with no strong up movement. When you got your profit, always remind yourself, one good trade next time, one good trade next time. When you learn how to trade one good trade, next one good trade, next one good trade. This is the best way to be a good trader. Always, I must remind myself, one good trade, next one good trade, next one good trade. like this so on for so forth, because the way you incorporate the habit in your mindset to trade only one good trade.